Vinay Biswam ji.
Thank you, sir. Sir, in one of his very famous writings, Karl Marx wrote, at a higher stage of capitalist development, the government will become executive committee of the bourgeoisie. I repeat, at a higher stage of capitalist development, the government will become the executive committee of the bourgeoisie. Exactly that is what is happening today in the country. The government speaks a lot about the poor, about the peasants, about the unemployed. No depth of words. Natural deeds. The government is serving the interests of the big capital in the country and outside the country too. The budget speaks voluminously about that. Sir, hence, this budget can be called as a budget of the government, which in the name of the Atmanirbhar Bharat is wholly and surely and very clearly serving all the greed of the capitalists inside the country and outside the country. So this budget is a budget driven by FDI. And this government always talk about Swadeshi. And that Swadeshi gave a shape to the Atmanirbhar Bharat. I would like to ask my friends in the BJP, is this the model of Atmanirbhar Bharat? You surrender all the vitals of the economy to the FDI. Everything. The name of COVID, the series of packages that you proclaimed. What have you done actually? You surrendered the heart and soul of India for the FDI. Sir, the banks for the FDI, the insurance for the FDI, the ports for the FDI, airports for the FDI, the mines for the FDI, the sky, the earth, and the waves, Bhumi, Agasham, Padalam, Ellam FDI. Sir, this government can be called as a government of the FDI, the foreign capital. I request the minister and the friends in BJP, please don't try to cheat the people. Tell the people who you are and what you are. And high time the people understand this. Sir, the pandemic of the day should the whole world. I taught lessons also to the world. The important lesson is that the market model, it failed everywhere. Everywhere. Including America, it failed. When the people were starving to death without medicines even in the US, the heaven of the capitalism, the government was helpless. People were dying. There is no need to tell about that. That model is a failed model. But this government is blindly following it in this budget also. So the government claimed, the FM claimed, there is an increase of 137% for the health sector. Is it true? You put together sanitation, nutrition, everything into one basket and tell that there is a big increase of great 137%. Untrue it is. Sir, 71,268 crores were given to the health and family welfare. The revised estimate for the previous year, 2021, was 78,866 crores. In fact, there is a decrease of 9%. A decrease. the days of the pandemic, the days of the COVID, the budget of the government of India, led by the BJP, has a decrease of 9%. And you claim, no, this is what I referred in the documents. You can tell. The economic survey also suggested to spend at least 2.5 to 3% for the health sector. How much percentage you have given? I may request the government, the minister, just to inform the House how much percentage you have spent for the health sector during these days. And tell this House what is the secret behind putting everything, and to say that a very big figure is to be shown. That is 137% increase. Sorry, sir. Sir?
Now please conclude.
How can I, sir? I can 7 minutes, sir.
Please conclude.
This is most uncruel.
Conclude.
No, most cruel. Most cruel,
please,
sorry.
please, conclude.
No, sir.
Conclude. Take your conclusion.
Sir, employment. How much you spent on employment? Manarega. The budget promised 73,000 crores. The previous year, it was 1.1 lakh crore. In fact, it is 34% less. And you say you are for creating employment. You are destroying the rural economy. You are cheating the rural poor. And you are killing one of the greatest schemes of the country. That's Manrega. Sir, that's what's happening here.
Please conclude now. Your time
Sir,
is over.
banking. What, sir? For banking. What a gimmick you have done, sir. A new bank called bad banks. A government of bad bank. A government of bad economy. A government of bad economics. And a government of bad governance. That's true.
Thank you. Thank you now.
No, sir.
Thank you. I will be calling other speaker. Your time is already over, sir.
1 minute more, sir. 1 minute more.
Please conclude.
1 minute.
Conclude.
Sir,
time is not in my hand. It's somebody else. Please conclude now.
Please, sir.
Vinay, please conclude.
Sir, the bad bank is meant for whom? For the bad loans. Who are the creators of the bad loans? Who are they? All the NBA holders are their friends.
Thank you, Vinay
all of them. Sir,
thank you.
The bank employees are on a strike path.
Thank you.
On 16th of
Thank you.
16th
Thank
of March,
you.
they're on a strike, sir. Sir, please have
Mani Sakti Singh Gohil ji, thank you. Mani Sakti Singh Gohil ji, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.